Hey, you ever wonder why we're here? It's one of life's greatest mysteries, isn't it? Nope, I'm not going to do that for the whole video. Ahoy hoy! Will here, and welcome to Bloo Roost Tooth Productions. So, what Bloo Roost Tooth Productions is, well, currently, it's part of my resume because I'm applying to the position of social media coordinator at Rooster Teeth. So this is part of my resume, but even if that doesn't work out, it's also a platform for me to post my original content. If anyone at Rooster Teeth is interested. um, so what this is basically is it's my resume. I recorded and captured some footage on my Xbox and Halo. I'm in the process of doing that right now. This is probably like the third or fourth intro video I've recorded. I have privated ones that I'm not, you know, it's as a writer, I'm a creative writer, so as a writer there are always drafts, a first draft, second draft. You're always making new drafts. So same thing with videos. I have stuff that I've shot that I've privated, and this is however many attempt this is. I'm going to keep it to 4 minutes and 44 seconds, or I'll try. But yeah, so basically, I'm going to use this at least early on for my resume. I shot a rambly intro on Valhalla, and I'm going through the 10 original maps of Halo 3 to go through the points of the responsibilities for this position of social media coordinator. And I'm answering it raw, honest from how I would answer it. And I could do a script and be careful with my answers, but no, it's just me talking, my ideas, what I think I would be able to do in the position. It's like a mock interview with myself, basically. I'm just looking at the questions and thinking, okay, this is what I think on the spot without any research. And I put it to Halo in game. So besides that, I also want to upload some samples from my previous work. So I've been uploading video content to YouTube since 2007. My first channel was Lego Assassin. I did Lego stop motions. I did Lego Assassin V2 after that, where I did Lego reviews. From there, I went to the Brick Zone, where these are channels I created. I created the Brick Zone, which was a combination of stop motion and reviews for Lego and Mega Bloks, Halo Mega Bloks specifically. And then I changed the name from the Brick Zone to Snow Cone Studio 6. And I experimented with doing a bunch of different content, but I didn't upload for a very long time, for 2 years. And now it is currently called Snow Coned, which is also my gamer tag on Xbox. So since then, specifically for this job and also to get back into the swing of my passion for video production, I've created many new YouTube channels, most of which are active. Some I still need to upload a couple videos just to get it started, but I have a handful. Some examples are my fashion channel, my cooking channel, my gameplay channel. I've uploaded some gameplay for the latest Halo game, Halo Infinite. If I haven't mentioned already, I'm a huge fan of Halo. I have my Halo helmet here. I have my blue team shirt from the Rooster Teeth store, which I believe you can still get at the time of recording this. Correct me if I'm wrong. That's another thing with my fashion channel. I love fashion. I've worked at Burlington and Macy's for years, and I see a lot of mannequins, a lot of clothes in and out with my job. I see the merchandise. So, t-shirts and stuff, especially for young men's, are my jam. Like, I love a lot of the merchandise in the Rooster Teeth store. I actually recently got, around the holidays, a lot of Red versus Blue shirts. I got Death Battle shirt, a Kill Count shirt for Dead Meat, or not Kill Count, a Dead Meat shirt. And I got a lot of shirts from the Jeff Ramsey collection because I saw on Instagram, I follow Jeff Ramsey, and he's posted how there's a sale, and I used the code, and I got a bunch of stuff from his collection, which I love. I love the clothes, and I'm gonna make some videos on my fashion videos, or on my fashion channel. But yeah, so this is basically part of my resume, but also just me making content. This is what I do. It's part of who I am. I make videos, but for this specific position, I'm focusing on the social media aspect. So not only YouTube, but Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, as well as TikTok. So out of those, I'm most comfortable with Facebook and Instagram. I've used Facebook for years and Instagram for years. I have multiple accounts on both for private, and most of them are private. I mostly use my social media as a journal to reference things. Like for Instagram, I take hundreds of thousands of photos. I get multiple SD cards, micro SD cards, because I run out of space. Instagram is just a way for me to organize and narrow down those hundreds of thousands of photos to perhaps maybe like a dozen or like 100. So again, with this social media coordinator position in mind, I'm basically organizing my personal private social media. So, I could apply the same skills I've learned doing that to this role that I want to get. So I've gone over the 4 minutes and 44 seconds limit that I put out before the start of this video. So I'm gonna close the video out here and elaborate further in other additional videos. But yeah, so once again, my name is David William Villapando. I go by Will, and I'm applying for the social media coordinator job at Rooster Teeth. I'm a huge fan of Red versus Blue, and go Blue Team. And yeah, I will talk to you soon in the next one. Take care.